George is great.
There is a reason why we have benches and not chairs. Benches are not as comfortable as chairs.
What?
When I came here, I saw many people in t-shirts. Those who didn't simply look like bank employees.
All the rules you are used to do not apply here.
For us, it's important to keep it simple.
I think the reason for that is that we set our targets extremely ambitious.
We just said you have 10 minutes, maximum 10 slides.
We'll be very busy in the next month concerning Project George. And then there's lots of other stuff you have in this list. We're working on.
George is very impressive.
People are not only looking at their transactions and their balance, doing transactions online, but they do all kinds of stuff.
What our aim is really to focus on a kind of a purpose.
We want to help people find a kind of identity in George. Everybody can make it their own.
My idea of a product is always that a product is not finished at any point of time. It evolves.
So it's always a mix between what do we want to do and what we can do.
The client is sitting here. No. Why you? Oh no! This is not. No, this is not. No.
We're building something big here.
We need to change the bank from the inside, and this would only work if we can show the different channels how to work differently and which products to bring out.
How do we move the users through the interaction of using George?
So we are supporting the customers on a daily basis, on a transactional level, you know, some kind of giving them a hint.
George is a user experience.
Real people are using real products and you get real feedback. They have realized that it's speeding up.
At the end of the day, there must be value for the customer.
Was der Strom vom Herd ist die Bank für den Kunden. Schaffen wir es irgendwann einmal, uns in die Perspektive des Kunden zu versetzen.
And this is actually what B1 is here for, to question a lot of things, a lot of processes in the bank.
You always have to imagine that the other person, your customer, is sitting in front of you.
Sobald ein Mensch involviert ist, wird es teuer. Super. Ist so. Für mich als Kunde ist der Effekt immer derselbe. Ich mache eine Überweisung.
There's a rule in the hub, or it's Thibaut's rule. It's to always ask the why question.
Let's talk about banks. Any bank can say that they are the best in banking. Any bank claims to have best service quality.
Everybody from the outside thinks everything is very simple. People from the bank tend to think everything is complicated, but somehow we manage to come up with a solution which is right.
You can do something from scratch here.
Was ja alles Wildes macht.
Also wir sitzen gerade da drinnen
und arbeiten.
Hoffentlich.
Neue Apps oder sowas.
When we came here, we really said, okay, we can try to do this project and to do this work, but we want to have a possibility to question everything.
And the decisive thing is, the crucial thing, not losing the innovation spirit.